Hi, and welcome back to Jamie's 4.0 Garage, where today we're excited to bring to you yet another video in our series of hardware videos. And today we're talking about the strength of metric bolts.
Metric bolts have been in the automotive industry since the mid-70s, but yet some people still fully don't understand the difference. So let's kind of go over the difference between metric and American bolts quickly, with emphasis on the grade or strength of a metric bolt. If we're looking at a bolt, we know it's metric because it says 10.9. We got another bolt here that says 8.8. And there's no way that we should ever substitute an 8.8 metric bolt for a grade 8 American bolt. Two entirely different strengths. And if you put it in for some application that requires a lot of power, a lot of strength, a lot of durability, such as a trailer hitch, you're going to have problems. So a 10.9 grade metric bolt would be equivalent to a grade 8 American bolt. And an 8.8 grade metric bolt would be the equivalent of a grade 5 American bolt. So we know that this 10.9 has about 150,000 PSI strength, tensile strength or greater, and our 8.8 would only have a tensile strength of around 120,000 PSI. So if you're looking to use metric bolts and you need something strong and heavy duty, you're going for that 10.9.
So hopefully in just a minute and a half, you kind of got the basic concept of metric bolts, how they're graded for strength, so you can choose the right one for your project to keep everything safe and lasting a long time. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.